It was a successful edition, this Gulf Food Manufacturing 2023. We found an increased number of exhibitors from all over the world and an increased number of visitors. Now you can see still, even if the exhibition is over right now, a lot of people around here from all over the world, mainly from the Middle East and Africa countries. We found a lot of technologies involved in sustainability and also a huge number of Italian exhibitors. But now a glimpse on the opinion of some exhibitors.
Gulf Food, as always, very interesting event here for the area. We got a lot of visitors from Far East, like China, Thailand, all these countries, as well from the Indian market, and a lot of visitors from the Gulf region here, from Saudi Arabia, from Africa as well. And we come out from this exhibition with a lot of interesting inquiries, as always. We are very well known in the baking industry. Everybody know Rademacher. We will take care of all the bakery to find them the right solution to get the perfect and the competitive product to compete and to work in the market.
Compared to previous years, we had a good number of contacts and really focused customers. So someone that already had a clear picture of what will be the project and what they want to get from us and for their future. Water Systems is a company that is specialized in the production of equipment for the beverage industry. So every customer that needs to bottle still water, sparkling water, fruit juices, soft drinks, and milk-based products can call us, and we will have a solution for them, from the single equipment to the turnkey solutions.
So we receive specific requests about sugar reduction, salt reduction, and about masking of notes regarding vegetable products, which is the main current trend about healthier style of people that are eating more and more veggie proteins. So Next Ingredients is an Italian distributor, mainly dealing with specialties in mainly application and business unit. First, we started with the food, especially in bakery and gluten-free, and then we shift and we open new divisions like pharma, cosmetic recently. So we have planned to open cosmetic actually, and for sure we are dealing also with Nutra.
This edition of Gulf Food was very great, fantastic for us, very successful. We receive a lot of visitors, a lot of potential customer. Also, we get some project. Was for us a very great edition. We are completely satisfied. The area specific was all the Middle East country, the Gulf country, but I have to say something special about the Iran country. A lot of visitors from Iran. We are an Italian company that we design, manufacture, and we install coffee roaster machine and coffee processing in all world.